Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome's FH12 heavy-duty truck chassis, which has 510 horsepower diesel engines, 6x2 or 6x4 configurations, and automatic gearboxes, supports a fully furnished coach. On the road, its 40-foot height and 26,000 kilogram weight attract attention. Execution, your management. The torque for the RV highway and mountain climbs is provided by Volvo's diesel engine and advanced gearbox. At maximum load, the suspension is automatically adjusted to maintain smoothness. Volvo's massive trucks are praised by drivers. Very good. There is just option D13. Functions well. Large interior Volvo RVs and luxury apartments have 1. The open concept living room features luxurious wood finishes, air-sprung leather chairs, widescreen media, and mood-enhancing LED lighting. Second bedroom, blackout shades, climate control, a queen-size bed, and high-quality linens. Bathroom features include a rainfall shower, stone worktops, gleaming fixtures, and ergonomics. Volvo's comfortable lifestyle on the road is reflected in the long-term comfort and utility of these parts. Construct, Chewer, Adapt Volvo employs durable materials everywhere. Common features include solar power systems, onboard generators, 8 kilowatt Onan, underbody lighting, washer, dryer units, remote-controlled hydraulic ramps, fiberglass reinforced panels, and more. Up to 16 floor plans and variants are available from coach builders. Roadside technology and usability. Volvo's cars and RVs are equipped with modern technology. Efficiency of long-haul diesel engines, truck platform stability control and driver assistance, central vacuum, sewer, and satellite cha-cha cell boosters are advantageous for larger rigs. Volvo advocates for technology and industry debates. Adaptability and onboard intelligence are prioritized in Volvo's EX60 and core computer platform, SPA3, which could affect safety, infotainment, and motorhome navigation. Highlights and benefits. For long-distance comfort, it has an automatic transmission, turbo diesel, and an adjustable suspension. Luxurious interior. A mobile home featuring distinct spaces for sleeping, living, and bathing for opulent vacations. Volvo stands out for its built-in garages, toy haulers, and personalization. Well built. These coaches are long-lasting because to their excellent finishes, sturdy materials, and thoughtful integrations. Trade-offs and considerations. Base price, €940,000 or around $960,000 with a lot of personalization. Maneuverability and size. Motorhomes that are between 40 and 26 feet long demand driving abilities and may make it more difficult to reach smaller campgrounds or narrower roads. Regular maintenance is necessary for complex systems, including hydraulics, diesel engines, and generators. Electronics and tech evolution. Older infotainment systems, such as those used in Volvo passenger cars, might not respond as quickly as anticipated. Conclusion. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome is among the best due to its high performance and comfortable living space. Its robust truck-based construction, roomy luxury amenities, and customization possibilities will appeal to sophisticated road warriors seeking durability and sophistication.